So today we have something very, very special to share with all of you guys. In general, just to change your lifestyle to the better. But also if you're on a keto diet. So we got this amazing box. It's called Keto Krate. And I'm so excited. There's a lot of goodies in here I want to share with all of you guys. And every month it's actually different. So they have different things here every single month. So I'm going to open this for you just to see how it looks inside. Look how cute this box is. Okay? So it has a little who believe in you. They believe that you are in control of your health. So you are in control of your health. Okay? Don't think otherwise. Okay? So in here we have electrolytes, pure and simple. Amazing. You definitely need electrolytes. It doesn't matter if you're on a keto diet or not. In general, it's very important to mineralize your body. Okay, so we have this package and there are different flavors, raspberry, lemon, and I believe that one is blueberry. And then we have this amazing soft cinnamon roll batch cookie, super soft, and it smells so good. So that's how it looks like. Okay. And then we have Smart Cake, gluten-free, soft vanilla latte cake, and it's extremely soft. Okay, I'm excited to open these up and just eat them all myself, obviously with my husband. Okay, so keto bars, chocolate covered strawberry. Oh my God, that is mouth-watering right now. Okay, and then we have the ketogenic bar, Kiss My Keto. So chocolate cookie dough bar right here, okay? And then we have the ranch veggie protein puffs. How awesome. I remember when I was a kid, I used to eat puffs like this, sour cream puffs, and they were so delicious, but unfortunately, conventional puffs are really, really bad for you. It's bad for your gut. So obviously, this is the much healthier puffs, and it's also 16 grams actually of protein. And let me see over here. It's definitely gluten-free, non-GMO, and only 3 grams of carbs, okay? And then we have the grass-fed beef. Whoa, look at that. Oh my gosh, I thought that was an actual protein bar, but it's a beef stick. Look at that, that's huge. Okay. And then we have the kosher beef stick original, 0 grams of sugar, 7 grams of protein, 90 calories, gluten-free, no nitrates added, and that's important. Okay, guys, very delicious. I actually love to make myself a little dip, guacamole dip, and I would love to eat this with my guacamole. Okay, so, and then we have the crunchy cheese spicy snack. So that's actually pretty interesting because I thought those were chickpeas. They actually look like chickpeas, but they're not. They're 100% cheese with natural ingredients, guys, okay? So only 2 grams total net carb, gluten-free, 0 grams of sugar, and 10 grams of protein in here. Okay? And then we have the dark chocolate thins with hazelnut. Holy moly. Oh my God, this is definitely mouth-watering. I cannot wait. I've never even seen this before, and they're little minis. So cool. I can take this on the go. And then we have the keto granola bar, which is peanut butter. My husband loves peanut butter, so he would definitely love this for sure. Peanut butter protein bar. And then we have gotta take it out like this. It's stuck in here. There we go. What's this? Cereal, fruity Cheerios, magic spoon. Oh my God. What is this one here? Oh, they're fruity. Okay. Magic spoon, 12 grams of protein, 3 grams of net carbs. Wow. Okay, this one has amazing ingredients. I'm actually interested. Sorry, I'm more looking at the ingredients and this amazing fruity puff. Wow, Cheerios, guys. Awesome stuff. So I'm going to share with you again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 items in this little Keto Krate box, guys. Okay, so we have the Cheerios, we have the chocolate, we have the little beef stick, we have the keto bar, we got the little crunchy 100% cheese snack, keto bar again, we have the grass-fed beef stick, we have the soft vanilla puff cake, we have the electrolyte, we got the cinnamon roll cookie, we got the sour cream ranch chips, we have the peanut butter keto bar. So this is all you get, guys, in this amazing box. Okay, so just to run by something with you guys. Okay, so everything is linked below this description. Okay, this video. You get $10 off your first Keto Krate box. Okay, so every month is totally different. You get different snacks per month in your Keto Krate box. Okay, so the price for this is, I believe the price for this is $39.99. Okay, minus $10 off. So you get $10 off your first Keto Krate box. Okay, now yes, $39.99 per month. Okay, but your first Keto Krate box, you're saving $10 off. The link is below. Now you're on a rush, you have things to do, you don't have time to make yourself a snack. What are you going to do? You're rushing, you're panicking, you want to change your lifestyle, but how can you change your lifestyle if you're panicking? You want to grab the very first thing that you see and you want to eat. Well, there you have it. You have your Keto Krate box. How beautifully is this amazing package? And the good thing is that if you are sensitive to dairy, okay, just email the company. Tell them that I'm interested in the Keto Krate box. I want to purchase the Keto Krate box, but can you kind of remove the dairy? Make sure that there's no dairy ingredients in any of these snacks for me, because I am sensitive, and I'm pretty sure they will definitely take care of their customers because they are super sweet. Okay, tell them to remove any dairy ingredients in any of the products in the Keto Krate, and they will be more than happy to do that. I enjoy talking to them. They're really sweet guys. I mean, they're very friendly, and I'm pretty sure that they will take very good care of their customers because they took very good care of me. They got me this amazing package here, and they have like this amazing brochure here that actually, first of all, the magical unicorn cheesecake bar, that's amazing. And it's funny because those raspberry Cheerios is actually this one right here. And you could make recipes with this. This is amazing. Let me just check something out here. Yes, so this here is actually pretty cool because this like little brochure here actually has a little bit of recipes in here. So when it comes down to this product, you could make yourself a little cheesecake, okay? So for instance, the filling for this could be gelatin, cold water, hot water, cream cheese, heavy cream, sweetener, vanilla, food coloring. But at the end of the day, guys, it has recipes over here to share with you so you don't get confused. You're on the go, get Keto Krate box. They will take good care of you if you have any sensitivities. We have our community discount for all of our followers. Okay, the link is down below. You get $10 off your first Keto Krate box. If you have any sensitivities, just email the company and they'll definitely take care of you guys. Again, you're on the go. Just grab a snack. I don't know how long these snacks will actually last you. I mean, it depends on family, how much snacks you want to eat on a daily basis. And you know what? You can even give this as a gift. So if you want to, help somebody with their lifestyle, you don't know what to give them, buy them a Keto Krate box. I'm pretty sure they'll be so happy if you buy them Keto Krate box. And also use the code down below, Organic Health Nut 10 off. Okay, that's our code, and you save $10 off, guys. Thanks so much for watching Organic Health Nut.